today's video is going to be my Sephora Play unbagging. It just came in the mail and I'm super excited. This is the third one I've gotten and I have loved them all. I like this subscription service. I don't know why it took me so long to jump on it because I know that it's been around for years. I love my monthly boxes. You guys know that if you watch my channel. But yeah, I don't know why it took me so long, but I'm glad I finally made the plunge. It's $10 a month and I think it's totally worth it so far. Okay, so this month for July, it says more of the good stuff. It always comes with a little poster pamphlet thingamajigger. And I'm so excited about one thing that's in here. This is what the bag looks like. The first thing is from Tarte. This is the Clay All Day Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Party. A soft, silky powder blush and a Sephora exclusive shade that looks flawless for hours. I just spit. Flawless. So this is what it looks like. And you know, this is the color that I will use. This is the color that Mama will use, and you guys can't even see because my lighting is crazy. Oh yes, yes, it's subtle, so subtle you can't even see it on my hand. Thinking about getting a new camera, guys, because this autofocus, I don't know, I might be doing something wrong. I have the Canon G7X Mark II. It's a great camera, but the autofocus I feel sucks. So I don't know, am I doing something wrong? Tell me. Do I need to look in the settings? Tell me, somebody help. Something from a Drunk Elephant. Who came up with that name, first of all? I need to Google that and see like how they got their name. Proteiny Polypeptide Cream. Firm the ground up. A protein moisturizer that visibly improves skin tone, texture, and firmness. Apply a quarter size amount morning and night to dry skin. Delivers revived looking skin with protein boosting single peptides, stimulating growth factors, supporting amino acids, and calming pygmy water lily. So that's what that looks like. Just a little, this is a little guy. What size? 5 milliliters or 0.17 ounces. Next we have something from Ren. This is the Evercalm Ultra Comforting Rescue Mask. Yes, I love masks. Says down to earth elixir, a restorative mask that soothes and balances irritated or sensitive skin. It uses white mushroom to calm redness and puffiness caused by sunburn, wind, dryness, stress, or jet lag, aka life. Extracts like arnica flower purge free radical and boost skin's immune defense. I've never heard of Ren Clear Skincare. Maybe I have. I feel like maybe on QVC, or am I just totally making that up? I don't know, but I'm excited to try this. All right, this is from Caudalie. This is the Vino Perfect Essence Concentrated Brightening Essence. A gentle treatment that removes dead skin. Let's try this again. A gentle treatment that removes dead skin so serums and moisturizers can do their thing. It's a lightweight formula, uses glycolic acid and white peony extract and 100% organic grey water to visibly reduce skin tone, even texture, and brighten. It's the second best thing to ever come off the vine. It's a little sample size. I was so excited for this. This is the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. I'm actually an ambassador for Bite Beauty. I love them. If you guys want to become an ambassador, I'll have a link down below. Anyone can do it. You don't have to have a social media following to do it. They're just a really great company. I love their products. I had this years ago and my packaging somehow got a hole in it and it totally like dried out, and I was so sad because this is such an amazing freaking lip mask, you guys. It is seriously so amazing. So I was so excited that this was in here. A nightly recovery mask that hydrates and nurtures lips for a softer, smoother texture. This is in just like the original one. Yeah, just the original one. I don't know what the name is called. I think it's just like natural, but they do have like shades. I really want to get the lavender one. This is super thick. You do not need a lot, even though this guy is like super tiny. 0.18 ounces. This will last you a while because seriously, you really don't need a lot at all. So yeah, I'm so excited that this was in here because I really wanted to repurchase it. And then for the bonus item this month is from Briogeo. It is the Blossom in Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Shampoo. A sulfate-free shampoo that creates fuller looking hair without stripping shine. It gives hair volume boost with natural sugar starch that coats strands and increases their diameter. Oh, okay. Biotin, ginseng, and ginger support natural hair growth. I love Briogeo. I have the Briogeo Resarco milk, the leave-in, the shampoo and conditioner. I absolutely love this company. It is a pricey company, but it is totally worth it because their products are amazing. I have not tried this kind, but I'm super excited to. Okay, so that was everything that was in my Sephora Play bag for the month of July. I am excited. I am excited to try this shampoo and conditioner. I'm so excited for my lip mask. Even though I'm not a blush person, I will use this Tarte blush because I like the color that it's in. And you know, these skincare items, we're gonna have to switch up my, oh, I just dropped it. We're gonna switch up my skincare game and see how, you know, these guys, I'm excited. I totally think that Sephora Play is worth it. It's only 10 bucks. You get to try out high-end products without having to spend the money. It's totally worth it, guys. I will have a link down below if you guys are interested in signing up. But that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.